I introduce the topic of trigonometry. Trigonometry is the word coming from three Greek words. One is tri, and another one is gonia, and another one is metron. So this is the word is derived from three Greek words. What are they? Tri, gonia, and metron. So they are Greek words. The meaning of these Greek words: tri means three, gonia means an angle, and metron means measurement. So that means trigonometry means three angles measurement is known as trigonometry. Which closed figure has three angles? That is triangle. That means the trigonometry is one of the branch of mathematics which deals the relation between sides and angles in a triangle. Because which closed figure has three angles? That is triangle. They are known as sides and these three are known as angles. The study of trigonometry which deals the relation between sides and angles in a triangle. So that is known as trigonometry. What is the definition of trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals or which makes a relation between sides and angles in a triangle with the help of right angled triangles. Okay, now we have to discuss the concept of trigonometry. Okay, who introduced this trigonometry? This trigonometry introduced the Greek mathematician, astronomer, the great person, that is, he is known as Hipparchus. Hipparchus introduced this trigonometry. So he is known as father of trigonometry. Who is father of trigonometry? That he is known as Hipparchus. Which country? Greek country. Okay. So if you learn this concept trigonometry, you should know the concepts of angle. Okay, that means that is the study of angle. Okay, so what is the use of this trigonometry in our daily life? In our daily life, many uses are there. If you find height of a tree, height of a mountain, or height of a hill, or height of the church, okay, like that, or the distance from one place to another place, or slope of the line, slope of the tree, slope of the slope between any two objects. So in our daily life we have to find out the heights and distances and slopes with the help of trigonometry. And this trigonometry is very useful in engineering and navigation department and astronomy. That means the study of trigonometry is very useful to engineers, surveyors, and navigation department and astronomers. So that is very useful. In any way, you study of angle first, Next, you have to make the relation between sides and angles in a triangle. Okay. Now we discuss the concept of angle. Okay. Angle means what? Angle means the amount of rotation between two rays or two line segments or two lines. What are they? Okay, if you draw one horizontal ray, this is known as initial ray also or fixed ray. Okay, this is known as initial ray or fixed ray. And another one is terminating ray or rotational ray. Okay, this one rotated, this is fixed, so this is known as terminating ray. Terminating means rotational. The rotation between these two rays is known as an angle. So that means the amount of rotation between fixed ray and rotational ray is known as an angle. Generally, this angle is denoted by one of the Greek letter theta. This is known as theta. Which letter? Greek letter. Okay. So now we have to learn the concept of angle. Already you know how many types of angles in your previous classes. Acute angle and right angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, like that. You know that. Leave it. Okay. But here we discuss the measurement of angles only. Okay. So if you get the rotation is in anti-clockwise direction, the rotation is in anti-clockwise direction, you may get the angle is positive angle. Positive angle. This is initial ray and this is terminating ray. Okay, that terminating ray rotates in anti-clockwise direction, you can get positive angle. If that this is initial ray, fixed ray, that terminating ray rotates in clockwise direction, this is clockwise direction, you can get negative angle. You can get negative angle. Remind this. That moves in anti-clockwise direction, you can get positive angle. That moves in negative direction, that means clockwise direction, you can get negative angle. Okay.